Hi there, I'm Craig Stevenson, President and CEO of Centennial College. The moment you have been waiting for, to move through our corridors, soak up the atmosphere and feel the vibe. It's all just around the corner. From this September, we will be warmly receiving ever-increasing numbers of you through our doors. For the longest time, we have said that what we've experienced is a marathon, not a sprint. But in reality, this past 15 months has felt more like a series of marathons, one right after the other, testing and challenging each of us every step of the way. But throughout, you have displayed tremendous spirit, drive and determination. Our recent student awards at Skills Ontario, where Centennial students won 20 medals, 2 trophies, and 5 students qualified for the national championships, speaks volumes to that.
Hi there, my name is David Ipyam, your Dean of Students. I'd like to echo Craig's acknowledgement of your spirit, your drive, and your determination. We know that each of you continues to adapt to unique circumstances. We also understand that you will have questions about what your college experience will look like in September. We've all witnessed how fluid this pandemic is, and we are becoming more hopeful as the vaccine rollout picks up speed in Canada. We're working with your deans and academic schools to plan how your courses, programs, and services will be offered this fall. We're also ensuring that contingency plans are in place in the event of another COVID-19 surge.
I'm Danica, and I'm in my second year of Community Development Workers Program. It is important to be alert and aware of how you are feeling when you leave your home. Starting with the basics, you'll need to pass a pre-screening health assessment, which can be found on the Centennial College Safety Watch app. While on campus, we practice physical distancing in all common areas, labs, and classes. We also wear face coverings, wash our hands frequently, and pay close attention to all signage. For more details on how we are working together to reduce the spread of COVID-19, check out this video.
Because of the very nature of pandemics, things are, as David shares, fluid. The key word of the day, fluid. And so even with all the planning we've done, which from June 18th onwards will be outlined on our web pages, eCentennial and MyCentennial, we may well need to modify those plans at a moment's notice. What we roll out and when is all influenced by public health directives and advice, so please bear with us if we do make any sudden changes. For the well-being and safety of all concerned, we want to get it right. You have my word, we will keep you informed every step of the way. And if you ever feel unsure or uncertain, please don't hesitate to reach out, be it to a counsellor, an advisor, a frontline team member, or one of your professors. In the meantime, please continue to, as Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, Director General of the World Health Organization, asked of us, be safe, be smart, be kind. The energy, encouragement and understanding that we give each other during these unprecedented times is what will unquestionably pull us through and over the challenges we face now and into the future. Be safe, be smart, be kind. Take care.